everyone? So today I got a very special package from the great people over at Vettelights. They are amazing. Just to kind of show you what I got here, I'm sure many of you know what they're coming out with, but they did send me their new infinity tail lights that I will be showing you how to go ahead and install. Now, just to show you, here's some of their contact info, but everything is included in here. It's amazing. I did go ahead and take one out just to go ahead and test, but we'll go ahead and move forward with how to install them. It's super easy, and they come with tons of cool features, so let's go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so here's everything that's included in the box. They definitely made sure it was packed super well. What's included is you have a hyper flash harness there, and then the instructions on how to install it. I don't need one because I do already have one included, but then I also have, it also comes with a sticker, some sunglasses, a lanyard, bottle opener. I love that they throw those little freebies in. It's totally awesome that they do. But here is the lights. Now, the biggest difference that you'll notice is they don't actually have any screw holes on the side like these ones do that I have currently. This is the ones that are currently on their website, the GS3s. I personally love these. What they look like, the two screw holes are going to be right here and here, but with the infinity part, they decided to go ahead and take them out for a better, smoother look. If you look at the back here, they actually have all of these different clamps. So you'll basically just push them in and it'll self-clamp itself, and of course you can test it out, make sure that it's snug on there. And another really cool feature about these is that they do come with several different options. So just to jump into the back here of what's going on, so you have several switches, and now this is the thing I love about Vettelights is they do this on the current ones I have, and of course this one, but it has several different options here. So this switch, the bottom one here, you can actually choose what side it goes on, so like driver side and passenger side over here. And of course you have other options like red or amber, and then what mode you have. I will go deeper into what modes there are towards the end of the video. That way you get a good idea of what they all look like. Yeah, it's super easy to install. We'll go ahead and jump into the process there. Okay, so to start with, it's super easy to go ahead and uninstall either your OEM or aftermarket taillights. Really all you're gonna do is just take this T15 and go ahead and unscrew the bolt here and the bolt here. You'll do this for both sides, and then you'll just take them out. Here they are out. So really all you're gonna do from here is push this little pin in that you see right here, and then you're gonna twist it. That's gonna allow these lights to come out, and then you just unplug it like a light bulb. So not too difficult here, but we'll go ahead and do that real quick. These tail lights are out. It's time for the new one. So with grabbing these, whenever you do it, you do wanna make sure this switch here, this one near my thumb here. So it has driver side and it has passenger side. We're doing the passenger side, so right here behind the wire here that it's switched over to passenger. Now when plugging this in, do keep in mind you'll plug it into your original socket, but if it doesn't turn on, you shouldn't worry. You just flip this 180 degrees, so pretty much just flip it the other way, and it should work just because these are LEDs. Okay. So now that I have it plugged in, now all you really need to do is connect your wires in terms of just making sure they're all in one place, and then you screw this back in just like so, like you would any other light. So you'll do that, and then in order to put these in, again, there's no screws needed, so you really just need to rely on these clasps back here. So you'll go ahead and just kind of make sure they're in the mode you want. I want it on the standard mode where it shows the solid infinity rays, and then you'll kind of just push it in there and you'll hear it snap right in. So there we go. There's all of them installed. Now really quickly, just to show you the modes, I'm gonna go start the car so I don't have to keep pressing unlock, and then I'll show you those 3 modes. So here they are in all their glory. I think these look absolutely awesome. Can hardly even tell anything. I'm probably going to put tint on these. That way it's blacked out like literally all of my other lights on the car. But here's what they look like. I think they look killer. So this is a great new addition. Now to go ahead and jump into those modes. This is the original mode. This is the one I like the most personally. It's just a solid infinity line here. And then I'll go ahead and switch it and show you the other ones real quick. This is the other infinity mode here, where as you can tell it's dotted instead of solid lines. Here's the solid one, just to give you an idea, and then here is the dotted one. So I personally prefer the look of the solid lines going all the way down, but this looks good as well. So the final mode is more of a traditional full halo Corvette taillight, you know, the ones you see on many cars that convert to LED packages, especially the C6 is very popular for just a solid halo. But this is the third option. You know, it's definitely a very solid line, so it looks really good and you'll be able to see it no matter what. It just removes that halo, or sorry, not the halo, the infinity mirror effect is all. So again, here's the difference. Here's the no infinity, and then you have the solid line infinity. Personally, of course, again, I'm going to go with the infinity, but these look really good as well if this is more your style. Here's what they look like blinking, as well as hazards on both sides. They go left and right. But I think they turned out great. Thank you so much for watching the install videos on these. I'll be sure to include all of the information. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. So I really appreciate if you help me reach that goal. Thanks so much again for watching. Everyone enjoy the rest of y'all's night.